Hey guys, just a quick video for today showing you some pretty rare fan finds I was able to find here around Southwest Virginia this spring and summer. First one I came across is this beautiful chrome Hunter R-52. It's the original finish. You know, from a distance it looks perfect. Get up close, you see a little bit of wrinkling and pitting, but it's not bad at all. It has been rewired at some point. It doesn't look great, but it works. It seems to be solid. I think all I'm going to do, one of the blades has a little bit of cupping in it. I'm going to try to straighten out, and then I'm going to hang this in my living room back in Texas. All these fans are going to come to Texas with me next week. I hope to get them up and have a real video of them actually running for you. But anyways, yeah, this is a Hunter R-52 from Fulton, New York. This is before they started producing them in Memphis. Beautiful original chrome finish. It has a 3-speed pull chain, 1.9 amp motor, and speed coil. The next one I found is this 1988 Hunter original 48 inch, and that's a pretty rare size. It's only made for a couple years in the late 80s. The motor is identical to a 42 inch, same power rating, same construction. The only difference is these blades are noticeably longer than the 42 inch blades. You can see here aside the blades on the R-52, the blades themselves are pretty much the same length. It's just the irons are a little bit shorter, giving it a 48 inch span. So this fan is going to go in my guest room. There's a black 1983 reverse air original there now. Great fan. It's just a little bit big for that room. This one will be more energy efficient and a little bit smaller, with an 8-foot ceiling in there too. I think it'll make it feel a little bit more open than that big hulking 52-inch fan. Last but certainly not least, this is a 1941, also like that. It's 1941 Emerson Roundnose, and the model number. What does it say? I don't know if you can see that. 85641 AL. 85641 AL. 1.7 amp. 115 volts. This fan, wow, I found it in West Virginia on Facebook Marketplace. The guy said it was installed in a bar that was about to be demolished. He was able to save this one and 2 others just like it. You might be looking at this thinking, wow, that looks really good. Well, this fan was completely disassembled and stripped and rewired, painted, and put back together by myself. It really looks nice. I took a lot of time on it, start to finish. It took me about 3 weeks to do, but I wanted to make sure I really did a good job. And sure enough, it runs like a top. This thing is so beefy and so well made. I think it's even better made than the Hunters I've taken apart. Yeah, 3-speed, level ear pull chain, everything works just fine. It spins super smoothly. If you run it without the blades, it takes like 2.5 minutes to stop spinning from high speed. It's also really quiet. It doesn't seem to hum as much as some of the other antiques and shaded pole fans that I've had. So this one is actually going to go in my master bedroom. It's going to replace that beautiful Adapt Air 22206, that white Hunter original I have in there. I hate to take it down, but this thing is really even more special to me. And look at these blades. Oh my gosh, just beautiful, beautiful wood blades. Luckily, they were in much better shape than the motor was. By the way, that motor needed to be rewired. The insulation, especially around the speed coil up here, was just crumbling away if you looked at it the wrong way. So I rewired it all the way to the stator on, new wires down the shaft, new main wires. But anyways, look at these blades again. These actually have cast iron blade brackets. So most round noses you see, it's 2 things. They have stamped steel blade brackets in their reverse pitch, versus basically every other fan you can find. But this has standard pitch, standard rotation for downdraft. Has these beautiful cast iron brackets. These are similar to the brackets that are on the Emerson Longnose, which preceded this fan. They are stamped 15 degrees for the blade pitch. You don't see this real pretty part up top because it's facing the ceiling. You see the wood down on the bottom, which isn't a bad thing either. It's just beautiful. So yeah, this one has cast iron blade brackets, and that's because it is an older production run of this fan, 1941. They made these all the way up until, I want to say, like the very early 60s. And most of them are in this kind of metallic dark brown. I wanted just matte black. I think it's a classy look for an antique fan. Well, chrome is pretty classy too, but for the bedroom I wanted black. So I'm really looking forward to getting this one up and getting it running. It cost me a small fortune to restore it because I had to buy all the parts, all the tools, the paint. I even bought a cordless drill. I'm in Virginia here, my house in Texas. So that's where all my tools are, so I had to buy a lot of tools. I had to spend $55 to get a canopy. I had to spend $40 to get a hanger bracket. So you talk about a labor of love. This thing, I'm really looking forward to getting it up. So hope to show you some much more interesting video in about a week and a half of these fans installed and running. But I just wanted to give an update to my channel and show you that I'm still alive, still collecting fans, and these 3 fans are very special. Alright guys, thanks for watching.